Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change, add and customize watch faces on your Apple Watch. We will see in Apple Watch series 10 step by step. You will see here. Go to your Apple Watch and tap and hold on your face, Apple Watch face. Such type of a screen appear. Simply slide left to right to choose a new face for your Apple Watch. If you want to add a new face to your Apple Watch, simply tap on plus sign and here you will find a lot of Apple Watch faces wallpaper here. Various type of categories appear here. Choose any one as per your choice. Tap on it and you can add a new watch faces to your Apple Watch series 10. Simply tap on add and choose any watch faces which you want to add to your Apple Watch and it will accordingly add to your Apple Watch face. Tap on it and choose add. Press the crown button. Various type of color appear here. So simply press the crown button and a new watch faces will successfully added to your Apple Watch. That's all.